Dark spots, hyperpigmentation, dull skin. Anyone who has these issues can understand how difficult it is to deal with them. We are always on the lookout for that one ingredient that can fight all these issues. Sounds impossible? Not exactly. Glycolic acid cleansers can help you get rid of all these issues. They not only exfoliate your skin but also help in clearing dirt, oil, and other impurities from your face. Glycolic acid can be found in a lot of face washes and formulations. We have compiled a list of the best glycolic acid face washes available on the market. Take a look, take a look. Before starting the video, please subscribe this channel, for more awesome upcoming videos according to your interest only on what's best. Let's start the video. Number 5 is Clinical Cleansing Complex. This product contains willow bark and sugar cane extracts. Both are the natural forms of salicylic and glycolic acid. These natural forms are mild and gentle and also help in controlling excess oil production. Pros: doubles as a toner. Can be used as a makeup remover. No parabens. Suitable for all skin types. Reduces blemishes. Best for sensitive skin. Cons: cannot remove makeup as effectively as claimed. Number 4. Anthony Glycolic Facial Cleanser. It contains 4.9% glycolic acid that removes dirt from your skin effectively. It cleanses your skin without stripping it of its natural oils. It is a non-drying formula that does not cause breakouts. It is non-foaming, and it gently exfoliates your face, leaving it smooth. Pros: contains vitamins A, C, and E. Hydrating formula. No parabens. Gluten-free. Hypoallergenic. Dermatologist tested. Cons: packaging is not good. Number 3. SkinCeuticals Purifying Cleanser. This is a purifying cleansing gel. It has a 3% optimized blend of key ingredients, which include glycerin, glycolic acid, and other ingredients. This unique combination brightens up your dull skin tone and improves skin texture. Pros: mild formula. No parabens. No sulfates. No artificial fragrance. No dyes. Alcohol-free. Suitable for all skin types. Cons: none. Number 2. Insta Natural Glycolic Cleanser. This cleanser works to reduce skin issues like blackheads, irritation, and clogged pores. It is oil-free and helps in controlling breakouts and keeping your skin hydrated. Pros: naturally derived extracts. Contains lactic acid. No parabens. No SLS and SLES. No formaldehyde releasers. No synthetic dyes. No petroleum and pegs. No mineral oils. Cons: the fragrance might be overpowering for some. Number 1. Jack Black Deep Dive Glycolic Facial Cleanser. This glycolic acid cleanser has a clay base that clears oil from your face and washes away dirt and dead skin cells. It makes your skin firm and smooth. Pros of this face wash: it contains volcanic ash. It contains kaolin clay. Also contains natural herbal extracts. Certified organic. Can be used as a mask. No synthetic fragrance. No artificial colors. Cruelty-free. Dermatologist tested. Cons: none. If you want youthful and glowing skin, glycolic acid is your best friend. If you have never used glycolic acid products, try any of these today. If you think we missed out on including any product in this list, let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you like it. Please subscribe us because we daily share awesome informative videos. If you want us to make a video on what you are looking for, Please let us know that by commenting below of this video.